Make a base of 9 blue pieces like this. And add 2 white pieces. And the rest of the row is blue. Now double the amount of pieces per row. It should look like this. Now add here 7 white pieces. And the rest of the row is blue. Now add here 6 white pieces. And the rest of the row is blue. Now add here 5 white pieces. And the rest of the row is blue. And now add 2 rows of blue pieces. Now add 2 blue pieces in the middle. Here. And add 2 red pieces here and 2 here. Like this. Now add a black piece here and one here. And the blue piece here. And 3 blue pieces like this. The same here. Now outline this and this with white pieces. Now add here 5 blue pieces. And now fill here with the blue pieces. It should look like this. Now add 2 more blue rows. It should look like this. Now take smaller pieces and take 3 pieces and put on 2 pieces and one on top. Now take 2 pieces and one on top. So this is going to be the beak, and just glue it here like this, and it's finished.